Hello and welcome to this tutorial video to discuss our new Genesys platform. Um, and don't worry, all your data, all your respondents, your assessments, your tests, everything that was available on your account will be available on the new platform as well. So it's just that the look and the feel of the platform has changed. However, all your information is still available. So the way that we will be accessing this is by clicking on Launch. Um, then after clicking on Launch, just the same way that you have done it in the past, you'd have to type in your email, followed by typing in your password. So these would be the same email and password that you have used in the past to access Genesys Online. So as you may see, the look and the feel again of the platform is what's been changed. So we will have a few upcoming videos in which we will discuss a few of the things that you would need to know. So the first thing we will discuss will be how to add a new respondent and how to import respondents in case you're adding a big number of respondents and you want to do it all at once. Would be much easier than doing it one by one. So we'll go through that and we'll see how that needs to be done. We will also be going through invites. So this is where you access the invites to see what invites have been sent out, what the deadlines are, all that kind of thing. We will also be looking at reports to look at how you can generate the reports, how you can download them, etc. And finally, we will also be looking at the settings portion of the new platform. So this, in short, is just a quick first video just to give you an idea of what we will be looking at over the next few videos. Thank you.